Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by HURELAHAIR. Shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. This is a relatively new company for me, and I have been working with them a lot recently. So once again, shout out to you. So the unit that I am wearing is the Hurela 13x4 Jerry Curly Lace Front Wig, Virgin Hair Wigs with baby hair in the color TL412. So that is the color that they have listed on here. I'm gonna go ahead and look and see can I find any more details about this unit. So they have on here a 13x4 lace front wig. They don't have on here where you can get this unit in any other type of construction. So you can only get this wig in a 13x4. The length available is 14 to 24 inches. Now I'm keeping a whole buck with y'all, like straight out the packaging. I have no idea what length that I have. Check down below below in the description box, and I should have it down there. I'm gonna guesstimate and say that mine is probably about 20 to 22 inches, but I'm gonna say about 24 inches, just going off of my height and you know where it's hitting on me. But that's purely me speculating, honey. Okay, so on the description it says hair type Brazilian, Malaysian, or Peruvian. It doesn't specify which one that I have, but they have on here that you can get all those 3 types. The texture is Jerry curly. The weight is 170 to 252 grams. I don't know how well, yes I do. I guess it just depends on the length that you get. The hair color is TL412. The cap size is average cap size, so you can only get this unit in an average cap size, so be wary of that. It says lace size, lace frontal. The density is 150%. And it says hair quality 8A grade, 100% human hair, no tangle, no shedding. So those are all the details and specs. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, in my personal opinion, the unit isn't tangly, but it does shed a little bit. It's nothing to write home about, but I do want to throw it out there so you can't come at me later talking about, hey girl, you said old girl didn't shed. She tried the packaging and she shed, okay? I don't need them problems, honey. So I'm going to go ahead and let you know that she does shed a little bit, in my opinion, like it did for me. I can't say whether or not it will for you, but for me it did, girl. Okay, for me it did. So, but it's nothing to write home about. It was nothing that made me agitated or mad or made me say, honey, they're going to have to get their hair back. It wasn't any of those sort of things, but it did shed some. So I want to throw that out there. Now, as far as tangling, honestly, y'all, despite the fact that this unit is a curly wig and it's pretty long, it did not tangle on me, which was pretty shocking for me because with a certain texture unit, I always expect it to tangle at least a little bit, but this one did not do any of the things, so shout out to you, Hurela, for that, girl, okay? Especially with the color. So I was a little shocked, honey. I was a little taken aback, okay, girl? Now, I do want to talk about the cap size. So this unit does come in an average cap size. And in my opinion, this unit is more so small to medium head friendly than medium to large. I wear an average cap size, and if I don't have to adjust the straps, then I consider that unit to be small to medium. If I do have to adjust the straps, then I consider it medium to large. With this unit, I did not have to adjust the straps, and I was actually like thinking about just loosening them. I was like, can I take them out? Okay, can I take them out? So I do feel like this unit definitely leans more towards small head to medium head friendly, which is always a bonus for my girls that feel like most units lean more towards big head friendly than not. So I want to throw that out there as well so you guys know. I mean, are you picking up what I'm throwing out, okay? Are you picking up what I'm putting down, girl, okay? So I just wanted to throw that out there for you guys so you could know. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so let me keep it a whole buck with y'all. I am honestly really feeling this wig. I love this sort of color. I love a good honey blonde or like with sprinkles of 613. That's just kind of like my swag, honey. Okay, I love a 27 613 look, girl. Okay, that's just me. I love it. It just always gives me sort of Beyonce vibes, and you guys know I love the Queen Virgo, honey. Okay, so I always love these sort of units because I just love the color of them. I feel like I've done quite a few that were similar to this because I feel like these sort of units were really popular as of recently. But I just love them. Like, I love these sort of units. Like, they just do it for me, girl. Okay, I just do. I will say with this unit, I did sort of struggle because it did have that sort of widow's peak. I don't have a widow's peak, okay? Sometimes I can make it work, and sometimes I just can't. And with this one, I could not. So I did have to cut that little area off to make it fit my hairline. So if that's an issue for you, then you may be a little apprehensive about this unit. And I'll put a clip or something so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But if you do have a widow's peak, these sort of units are made for you because I know it's a lot of us that do have a widow's peak. My mother had a widow's peak. I know that certain people have the widow's peak and they kind of struggle with certain units. So it's a plus for some people and a negative for others. But for me, I just cut it off. I do feel like with the widow's peak, it's great when they have them because I know so many people struggle with that when it comes to wearing units. So it's not a huge deal for me, but I know, like I said, it can be a huge deal for others. So I just wanted to throw that out there. And that was my only struggle with this unit. Now, I do want to mention that I did do the ball cap method, and this is what I got. Like, I feel like she looks good. I don't feel like she need any extra tweezing. If you feel like she does, then girl, do what you do, honey. Okay, do what you do. I ain't into a whole lot of tweezing, girl, because I ain't got nobody got time for that, girl. I ain't got time for that. But, and I'm not great at it. So it's like usually if I see a unit that's just not like super, super dense, then I kind of just go for what I know. But if you want to, you can definitely tweeze it more if you need to. But I feel like she looks good as is. But that's just my humble opinion. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and how I feel about this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check so we can wrap this thing off. Okay, y'all. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you're feeling her. Do you think it's a look? Do you think it's a vibe? Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in hearing what you guys think of it. Once again, shout out to you, Hurela Hair, for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthyMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.